This doesn't sound good. Holy. Ah. How is that possible? Somehow the fire alarm went off when nothing's activated. That's not on. That's normal. That's not on. That's not on. That's for a security system. As you can see. Is it in here? This is for a heat detector soon to come. That can't be. And this thing. Alright, well I have to do some serious investigating right now. That was completely random. Let's see what happens if I unplug it. And then I reset it. Then I plug it back in. Oh boy. Alright, so clearly that doesn't like me. Alright, well, that's going to be a little investigation, but I'm sure I'll figure out what's wrong with it. I was just seriously sitting in the office and all of a sudden I hear this thing blasting. It kind of made me jump a little bit. So, yeah, real fire alarm. I'll leave in the description of what happened to it. But, oh well. Well, that's interesting.